Okay, today we got a Egret Beaver 1215 wood chipper, brand new, and we're gonna fire this thing up and make sure it works. So, do a quick turn on here. This thing has an auto clutch, so there's no lever to push here to engage the clutch. When I rev the RPMs up, this should engage automatically. So we're gonna make sure it works, then we're gonna throw some wood through it and make sure it goes good. Go ahead and change my setting. Whoop. I want wood. Change it to wood. There's a glare. I can't see nothing on the screen of my phone, so I'm gonna go from there. Okay. Back out, and it should engage after I hit this rabbit button. And dangerous. What I got for wood? Let's throw a piece in. There, she idle down. Auto clutch disengaged. That's what you want. Everything seems to be in working order. I think we're good to go. Now that she's idled down, the auto clutch disengages here, but you'll still hear the drum turning for a little while. Just centrifugal force will turn that. That's perfectly normal. Other than that, it's good to go. Now she's idled down. I go ahead and shut her off. Hear the drum turning still. There it goes. Man, these things are violent. These wood chippers. Extremely violent. They call these last resort handles. So if you're going into the chipper for whatever reason, you grab these handles right here and it reverses the feed on the auto feed wheel, so it goes backwards, so it's trying to spit you out instead of trying to suck you in. So if you miss those, you're going into the chipper. That's pretty much the end. So, word of advice, don't fall into a wood chipper.